Let me show you what we're going to be making today. It is the crab Rangoon cheese sticks. Watch how we make it. Mm. Yeah, when you like it, you take more than one bite. All right, so we're gonna need some cheese, and I am shredding it. I was using the little shredded cheese, but I decided from now on no, because if you look at the ingredients on the back of here versus the ones on the shredded, you're gonna be better off getting this cheese. So get your favorite cheese. Supposedly mozzarella, but when I went to the store, they didn't have it, so I'm gonna do this white cheddar, and then I'm gonna also do some Monterey Jack. You're gonna take the cream cheese and you're gonna add some shredded cheese, as much as you can. I'm still shredding. Cutting up green that came out of my garden. Whoop, whoop. Add a little bit of red onion to that green onion. Now, I also wanted some mozzarella in this mixture. So I have been taking the little mozzarella sticks that I had already had and then start cutting it and putting it in here. Now, instead of using garlic powder, I wanted some fresh garlic. So I'm going to take these little garlics and then shred them. Shred them. Shred them. Now we need our snow crabs. We're going to go ahead and cut those on up and add them to our mixture. Now you're going to line a pan with wax paper. I'm using aluminum. Then you're going to pour your mixture inside there and put it in the freezer for about an hour. All right, so I'm just going to spread it out. And then we're going to freeze it. All right, while we are waiting on our bars to get hard, we're going to get the egg wash together. And then we're going to have our panko. I'm using seasoned panko. And then I'm getting my grease hot. So it will be ready. And keep it in there for an hour in the freezer. I did a taste test on these premium Korean sweet and spicy puffs. They're so good. So what I did was I done crushed them. And I'm going to add them to my panko seasoning. Because these right here are so good. They look like little chickens, but that seasoning, oh my God, it's so good. I think that's gonna make this the bomb crab cheese. Okay, it's out of the freezer. So now it's time to just cut it into little squares. And then we're going to put them in egg batter and then dip them into the panko mixture. And then back into the egg batter. And then we're going to deep fry them. All right, there it is. We're going to go ahead and dip it in the egg wash. Then we're going to coat it in our breadcrumb Korean mixture. Ooh, I'm so excited. Now, if you want a thin crust, fine, stop there. But we're going to go back in and get a thicker crust. We're going to put it out, and then we're going to go to the next one. Dip it in. Yes, this does get messy. It does. It does get messy. Now we're going to go back in and dip it. Then, after we do this for a few of them, then we're going to get ready and put it in the hot grease. Now you're going to cook them until they're the desired color that you want them to be. Oh yeah. And that is your crab Rangoon cheese sticks. Right, so I decided to do something a little bit more different. So I have put them in the air fryer. See how they're going to turn out this way. because they were getting a little messy. I think that if you put it in a freezer or a refrigerator or whatever, then you should do it a whole day. So, yep. Alright, this is your SJ here, real good.